This 2020 Keystone Passport SL Series East 239 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, auxiliary battery, LP detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, external shower, spare tire kit, skylight, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Passport SL Series East 239 megaliters is 4,189 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.